Hello guys! Sa araw na ito ay nais ko po sa inyong i-share ang top 100 best spots in Palestine. Kung may nais po kayong ipalabas po sa tahanang ito, ay pwede po kayong mag-comment down below. At kung may nais naman po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. At shoutout po natin po sa mga susunod po mga palabas. So heto na, sisimulan na po natin ang mga tourist spots sa Palestine. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Eka 100 is Tel Balata Archaeological Park. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It was built in year 3000 BC. It is the archaeological site of ancient Canaanite city in Palestinian West Bank. Number 99 is Bad Jakaman Museum. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1800s. It is a museum houses archaeological artifacts, how to process olive oil production. Number 98 is Deir Ghazaneh. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It was built in year 1800s. It is a village full of stone houses in the north of Ramallah. Number 97 is Taibe Brewery. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It was built in year 1994. It is a beer famous around the world made in the only Arab-owned brewery. Number 96 is Aida Village. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1950. It is a Palestinian community village. It is named after a famous coffee house in the site. Number 95 is Mount Gerizim. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It is regarded as the biblical place where Abraham and his son Isaac climbed the mountain. Number 94 is Ain Prat Nature Reserve. It is located in Wadi Kal, Palestine. It is regarded as part of Jesus Christ's final journey to Jerusalem in biblical tradition. Number 93 is Star Street. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1850. It is one of Bethlehem's oldest commercial street. Number 92 is Qumran Caves. It is located in Kalya, Palestine, established in year 134 BC. It is best known where the Dead Sea Scrolls are preserved. Number 91 is Genesis Land. It is located in Alon, Palestine. You can tour in the desert mountain with camel rides. Number 90 is Ancient Silo. It is located in Tormos Aya, Palestine, established in year 1700 BC. It is an ancient city in Samaria mentioned in the Bible. Number 89 is Dar Zaran Heritage Building. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine, established in year 1990. A former residence turned to museum, it exhibits Palestinians' Asian cultural and heritage. Number 88 is Jericho Mosaic Center. It is located in Jericho, Palestine, established in year 2000. It is a mosaic art center that trains personnel in Asian mosaic production. Number 87 is Mansour House. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It holds history of the city and built by the first mayor of Bethlehem Municipality. Number 86 is Jericho Synagogue. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 700 AD. It is an Asian prayer house famous for its mosaic floor. Number 85 is Susia National Heritage Site. It is located in Hebron, Palestine. It is an ancient Jewish village on the Judean mountains in Hebron. Number 84 is Campo dei Pastori. It is located in Beit Sahur, Palestine. It is a historic religious site in a Palestine town east of Bethlehem. Number 83 is Al-Qadar Church. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It is a church located on a hill overlooking the Jordan Desert. Number 82 is Kashuela Farm. It is located in Gush Etzion, Palestine. It is a famous farm in Vaot Forest in Gush Etzion. Number 81 is Samaritan Museum. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It is a museum dedicated to history and culture of the Samaritan. Number 80 is St. George's Monastery. It is located in Al-Qadar, Palestine. It was built in year 1912. It is where St. George is stayed according to local tradition. Number 79 is Balm of Gilead Farm. It is located in Gilead, Palestine. It is a rare perfume used medicinally and that was mentioned in the Bible. Number 78 is Annunciation Latin Parish. It is located in Beit Jala, Palestine. It is a famous historic church in the city of Beit Jala. Number 77 is Salfit Mountains. It is located in Salfit, Palestine. It is best known for its great environment to cultivate land for agricultural purposes. Number 76 is Gus Etzion Winery. It is located in Gus Etzion, Palestine, established in year 1967. It is a famous wine region producer in Judea area. Number 75 is Jericho Archaeological Site. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 10,000 BC. Also called Tel Es Sultan, it is regarded as the oldest town in the world. Number 74 is Kefar Etzion. It is located in Hebron, Palestine, established in year 1927. It is a settlement established in the Judean hills between Jerusalem and Hebron. Number 73 is St. Nicholas Church. It is located in Beit Jala, Palestine. It was built in year 200 AD. It is a famous historic church built by Nicholas in the city of Beit Jala. Number 72 is Mount Ebal. It's located in Nablus, Palestine. It is one of the two mountains in the city of Nablus in West Bank. Number 71 is Ain Mabua. It is located in Kfar Adumim, Palestine. It is a popular Asian spring in Wadi Kalt region. Number 70 is Khan al-Umdan. It is located in Acre, Palestine. It was built in year 1784. It is UNESCO site, also called Inn of the Columns, and used for merchants to stay. Number 69 is Carmel of the Holy Child Jesus. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1876. It is a monastery and Christian pilgrimage site standing on hill where David was anointed. Number 68 is Euthymius Monastery. It is located in Kfar Adumim, Palestine. It was built in year 420 AD. It is the only monastery in Judean desert and central of Chalcedonian Orthodoxy. Number 67 is Star Bazaar Gift Shop. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is a famous gift shop to buy souvenirs in Bethlehem region. Number 66 is Al Asayel Equestrian Center. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It is a leading sports center for horseback riding in Palestine. Number 65 is Arafat's Mausoleum. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It was built in year 2004. It is the mausoleum site of the former Palestinian leader Yasser Arafat. Number 64 is Gush Etzion Heritage Center. It is located in Gush Etzion, Palestine. It was built in year 1967. It exhibits the history of Gush Etzion establishment and first Israeli settlement. Number 63 is Good Samaritan Museum. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It is a museum that exhibits mosaic floors excavated in West Bank and Gaza Strip. Number 62 is Holy Land Arts Museum. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is a famous souvenir store in the city of Bethlehem. Number 61 is Bankish Shop. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is a famous gift shop to buy postcards, t-shirts, magnets, mugs, and keychains. Number 60 is the World of Hotel. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 2017. It is a hotel situated in the border of Israel. Number 59 is Mosque of Prophet Yunus. It is located in Hebron, Palestine. It is a mosque that houses the mausoleum of Prophet Jonah. Number 58 is Birzad Brewery. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It was built in year 2015, also called Shepherd's Beer. It is a famous brewery in Palestine's West Bank. Number 57 is Visit Palestine Center. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is a boutique gift shop offering products made in Palestine and famous outdoor restaurant. Number 56 is Tree of Life Gifts. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is a famous souvenir shop of models of olive wood and religious jewelry. Number 55 is Jaway Gallery. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine, established in year 2013. It is an independent visual art gallery showcasing contemporary Palestinian art. Number 54 is Mount of Temptation Monastery. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 1895. It is the place where Jesus spent 40 days. Number 53, Hebron Glass and Ceramics. It is located in Hebron, Palestine. It is internationally known for souvenir products and household items of ceramics. Number 52 is St. Mary Church. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1023 AD. It is a famous Greek Orthodox church in Bethlehem. Number 51 is Holy Land Souvenirs. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. Established in year 1903, it is a souvenir shop of models of olive wood, mosaic artworks, and religious jewelry. Number 50 is Palestinian Heritage Center. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1991. It is a Palestinian cultural center of costumes, folklore, and history. Number 49 is Carmel Hotel. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It was built in year 1938. It is the first hotel in Palestine to have both hotel apartments and hotel rooms. Number 48 is Zulub Souvenir Store. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is regarded as the best shop to buy souvenir items in Bethlehem. Number 47 is Antique Cafe Nablus. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It is a famous restaurant and cafe shop in a historic building in Nablus. Number 46 is Jericho Cable Car. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 1998. It is the lowest cable car in the world. Number 45 is Blessing Gift Shop and the Olive Wood Factory. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1925. It is a shop famous for olive wood carvings handmade in Bethlehem. Number 44 is La Casa Mall. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It is a famous shopping center in the city of Ramallah. Number 43 is Shomron National Park. It is located in Sebastia, Palestine. It is famous for its Roman amphitheater, forum, and Samaria restaurant. Number 42 is Abraham Path. It is located in West Bank, Palestine. It is the cultural route believed to have been the path of patriarchs Abraham's ancient journey. Number 41 is Mount Gerizim Archaeological Site. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It was built in year 200 BC. Also called Mount of Blessing, it is famous for its first temple in Palestine. Number 40 is Bethlehem Museum. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1977. It is a museum that exhibits artifacts of Bethlehem. Number 39 is Cave of St. Jerome. It is located in Church of Nativity, Bethlehem, Palestine. The first translation of the Bible from the original text is located here. Number 38 is Mausoleum of Rachel. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 400 AD. It is the third holiest site in Judaism. It is a former mausoleum converted to mosque. Number 37 is Yasser Arafat Square. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It is a popular landmark in Ramallah and known as the Clock Tower roundabout. Number 36 is Bethlehem Folklore Museum. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. Established in year 1972, it is a museum that exhibits traditional Palestinian household items, pictures, and clothes. Number 35, International Nativity Museum. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1997. It exhibits extraordinary number of nativity scenes from all over the world. Number 34 is Kremisan Monastery. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1885. It was built on the site of 7th century Byzantine monastery and Kremisan vineyard. Number 33 is House of Palestine. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It is regarded as Palestinian Rothschild and Palestine's most beautiful house. Number 32 is Bob Eder Art Gallery. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. Established in year 2017, it is an independent art gallery located in the old city of Bethlehem. Number 31 is Monastery of Jacob's Well. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It was built in year 1893. It is the site of the meeting between Jesus and the Samaritan woman in Christian tradition. Number 30 is Yasser Arafat Museum. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine. It was built in year 2016. It is a museum dedicated to the Palestinian leader Yasser Arafat. Number 29 is Tree of Zacchaeus. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It is a sycamore tree believed to be more than 2,000 years that is mentioned in the Bible. Number 28 is Mahmoud Darwish Museum. It is located in Ramallah, Palestine, also called Al-Birwe Park. It is dedicated to poet. It has museum, theater, and garden. Number 27 is Bethlehem Convention Palace. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1999. It is a convention center with meeting hall, exhibition gallery, theater, gardens, and cafeteria. Number 26 is Safari Aqua Park. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It is considered as the best water park and largest number of water slides in the Middle East. Number 25 is St. Gerasimos Monastery. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 455 AD. It is regarded as the traditional site of the baptism of Jesus. Number 24 is Bisan Village. It is located in Bisan, Palestine. It is the pleasure garden located in the northern part of Gaza. Number 23 is Russian Museum. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It preserves the history of the Russian community in Palestine. Number 22 is Enot Chokim Nature Reserve. It is located in Ain Feshka, Palestine. It is nature reserve recognized as important bird area by BirdLife International. Number 21 is An-Nasser Mosque. It is located in Nablus, Palestine. It was built in year 1239. It is also called Victory Mosque and regarded as the symbol of Nablus. Number 20 is Church of St. Lazarus. It is located in Al-Azariah, Palestine. It was built in year 1953. It is the mausoleum site of biblical Lazarus and house site of Mary, Martha, and Lazarus. Number 19 is Omar Mosque. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1860. It is the only mosque in Bethlehem. It is named after Muhammad's father-in-law. Number 18 is Great Mosque of Gaza. It is located in Gaza Strip, Palestine. It was built in year 406 AD. It is the largest and oldest mosque in the Gaza Strip. Number 17 is Chapel of Shepherd's Field. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1953. It is the site where angels announced the birth of Christ according to Catholic tradition. Number 16 is Church of St. Catherine. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1882. It is a church said to be the site where Christ appeared to St. Catherine of Alexandria. Number 15 is Judean Desert. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It is the main entry route to the holy city of Jerusalem from the east. Number 14 is Nabi Musa Monastery. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 1269. It is the mausoleum site of Moses and most important Muslim pilgrimage in Palestine. Number 13 is Bethlehem Peace Center. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. Established in year 1988, it is the Peace Center in Palestine. Number 12 is Dead Sea. It is located in Palestine. It is the natural border of Palestine, Israel, and Jordan, Earth's lowest point, and you can float here. Number 11 is Mangere Square. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It is the square in the center of Bethlehem and named after the Manger where Jesus was born. Number 10 is Hisham's Palace. It is located in Jericho, Palestine. It was built in year 734 AD. It is the most archaeologically most important Islamic period monument in Palestine. Number 9 is Palestinian Museum. It is located in Birzeit, Palestine. It was built in year 2016. It is an independent institution dedicated to support Palestinian culture internationally. Number 8 is Milk Grotto Church. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 1872. It is the place where the Holy Family stayed according to Christian tradition. Number 7 is Solomon's Pools. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 950 BC. According to the Bible, the pools are built by Solomon for his wives. Number 6 is Mar Saba Monastery. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 483 AD. It is the oldest monastery in Palestine still inhabited. Number 5 is Church of the Holy Sepulchre. It is located in East Jerusalem, Palestine. It was built in year 326 AD. It is a church built on the traditional site of Jesus' mausoleum. Number 4 is Cave of the Patriarchs. It is located in Hebron, Palestine. It was built in year 4 BC. It is a UNESCO site, also called Abraham Mosque, and world's most ancient Jewish site. Number 3 is Church of Nativity. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. It was built in year 333 AD. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, it is regarded as the birthplace of Jesus. Number 2 is Dome of the Rock. It is located in East Jerusalem, Palestine. It was built in year 691 AD. Also called Mosque of Omar, it is the oldest extant Islamic monument. Ito nangunguna po sa ating listahan ayon sa survey ay ang Bethlehem City. It is located in Bethlehem, Palestine. Established in year 1400 BC, it is famous for being the biblical birthplace of Jesus Christ and hometown of King David.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng naparami po sa inyo pong panonood. Kung inyo po ito pong nagustuhan, ay maaari po natin po itong share sa ating mga friends. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!
Yeah.